Hello guys, my name is Thad and in today's video we're going to be learning about buzzer in robotics. Now guys, this is a very interesting topic because using a buzzer we can make quite like bit of projects, right? Many projects like a security system, right? That if you've seen the Iron Man or the Spider-Man movie, they get to know, right? Like if someone is behind them, they get to know, right? Some beeping sound comes, and that is because of the buzzer. Okay, guys. So using some sensors and buzzers, we can make amazing projects, and that's why buzzer is a very interesting topic. So today we're gonna learn about them, and let's get right into it. So, guys, what is a buzzer exactly, right? So, buzzer or a beeper is a audio signaling device which may be mechanical, electromechanical, or piezoelectric. Typical uses of a buzzer and beepers include alarm devices, timers, trains, confirmation of user input, such as a mouse click or keystroke. Now, see, guys, buzzer is very easy topic. Okay, it is just a audio signaling device, right? Now, just ignore which may be mechanical, electromechanical, or piezoelectric. Now, these are different types of like buzzers. Okay, these are different types of buzzers. Okay, now I just cut it. I'm just cutting it because this may confuse you. Okay, guys. All right. Now we'll focus on the next one. Now, typical user of buzzer, right? This is the way. Yeah. That we use buzzer can be used in alarm devices, right? Alarm devices, timers, right? It beeps right there, buzzer is used, trains, right? And confirmation of user input such as a mouse click or a keystroke. Okay, so these are the uses of a buzzer. Okay, and I'm just underlining. Okay, underline. Okay. I don't know why I'm underlining it. So you guys know, you're right, that buzzer can be used in many things, right? Like it can be. Now it is of three types: mechanical, electromechanical, and piezoelectric. And buzzer can be used in many things, right? Alarm devices, timers, screens, and confirmation of a user, right? So there are many users, and that those are the things which make this very amazing. Okay, guys. So, without any ado, let's get right to its use, okay? Because you must be thinking, why I'm explaining of such a simple thing. Yeah, I know, but I have to explain, okay? So now comes to most interesting, the program using buzzer, okay, guys? So the question we have is, make a program in which the distance between you and an object. Now, when you see distance between you and object, the first thing which will click into your mind, or first thing which should click in your mind, is ultrasonic ultrasonic sensor. Alright, guys. This is the first thing which should click in your mind when you hear the thing distance between you and object. Okay, because we learned in the last video only, right? Ultrasonic sensor is now making program in which the distance between you and object is smaller than 60 centimeter. Then the buzzer should start beeping, and else nothing should happen. Okay, guys. So now I think without any ado, we should just try get to the code, okay? Because the code is the most interesting part, okay? Because today we will be using both the ultrasonic sensor and the buzzer, okay? And guys, these are real world things, right? Like buzzer in the security system it is used, okay? Right? Let's say there is a very much important diamond, right? As shown in the movies, right? And it is kept in the box. If the thief is coming near it, right? Then it just beeps, okay? Pam, 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 right? And we can use it for those purposes, okay, guys? So there are many uses, and the most common are alarm and security system, right? Yeah, and this train also very common. Okay, so now timer also is used. Okay, so now I'm just taking you to my tinkercad screen. Okay, Yeah, guys. So I just took you to my tinkercad screen, okay? And I hope that today you are able to see the colors properly, right? Because in the last some videos, right, the color were not perfect, but today they are perfect, okay, guys? So today is gonna be fun, okay, guys? And one thing you might be noticing is that the tinkercad people, the Autodesk, right? They have updated their website, right? You see, Thinker, Gallery Project, all those things. So they've obviously updated their website. Now let me just create a new circle and just rename it as tutorial 10. Alright guys, what? Tutorial 10. So let me just 10. Okay, I just renamed it. Okay. Now, alright. So now I'm just taking in the Arduino. Now the connections are very important over here, guys. The first thing which we are using is obviously the ultrasonic sensor. As I told you, for measuring the distance between you and the object, we use the ultrasonic sensor. Okay, so just go over here, just drag and drop. Okay, okay, drag and drop. Then just take in this sensor. Okay, this. All right, I just took it. Now the second thing you want is the buzzer. Now this is also known as a piezo. But yeah, you can also say it is a buzzer, a piezo, or whatever. But I usually see it as a buzzer because it seems much more practical to me. Okay, guys. So I just brought this right over here. Right. So now I just okay. Now what we need to do now is that we need to take a register because this requires a register also. Okay. So I'm gonna just take in the resistor, or I should not. Just think, guys. Should I or should I not? Let me also think. So I think that we should, yeah, guys. So I think that we should connect the resistor to this, and yeah, let's see is it correct or not. But I hope this is correct. Okay. Now just take it to any digital pin of your choice. Here, in this case, I think two, three, whatever. Okay. I'm just taking maybe. Hey, my recording stuck. No, I don't know. Is this the fault of my browser or what? But okay. So I'm just saying it to the three and just doing its color to red. The second connection is that we have to take this and connect it to the ground. Alright, guys. And if I connected this one to the 5V, then it will be just beeping. Okay. Now again, this to the ground. Very simple concept, guys. Okay. So this, I don't know why this is getting stuck. Most probably due to my browser or something, maybe. I don't know. This is getting stuck, guys. Okay, ground. Hey. Okay, guys. I think that I need to do something because this is getting stuck again and again, which is not very good. I'm not feeling good. Okay, I'm just doing it black manually. Okay, oh, then I'm just gonna connect these two pins to any two pins. Okay, let's say I connect the echo pin, right, which is the receiving pin, the receiver to 11, and the trigger pin, which is the transmitting pin, um, to 12. Okay, and I'm just gonna change the color to something like yellow and power again to 5V. Okay, and I'm just gonna change the color to what? Red. Okay, red. Okay. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just maybe Select it from the drop down or okay, number. All right, guys, and I think basically the connections are it. Okay, so these are the connections. Now, one thing, guys, I think there is some serious issue in my browser right now. So I think I'm just switching my browser, and I will need to after switching. So it seems, guys, that I have switched my browser successfully. As you can see, I've switched to Firefox. Anyways, um, I think we should continue, right? So let's go to the code. Lots of disturbance, guys, lots. Okay, I will just continue. Just remove this code. Boom, boom. Chum, chum. Oh, you can actually use it. So I can just change it to maybe 3. And 3 is obviously output, which is the buzzer. Okay. Now I'm just gonna do it two more times maybe. Right? Because we connect one more thing, actually two more things. The 11 is a input and the 12 is the output, which is the transmitter. Okay. So I think this is the thing. Now we need to initialize some variables, guys. Okay, so int distance float maybe what was the float speed and int time. Okay, guys. Now the last video was all about rotational extensions, so it was just very detailed. And this video, my main goal is to just tell you about the buzzer. Okay, guys. So let me focus on it. Okay. Now, first of all, as you know that we have to do some very basic thing, which is first digital writing the transmitter to low, right? Then we give a delay of 2, okay? Then we digital write it to the yeah guys. So now digital write 12 to high, right? You remember it is just like a switch, okay? And if you don't, just rewatch the video. And if you have not watched it till now, man, what were you doing? Okay, you need to just watch it right now. Okay, guys. So now I am just sending the um transmitting the ultrasonic waves, the sound waves, ultrasonic sound waves. Now I need to initialize the speed, which is 0.0342. Now the time is pulse in. I will explain the code in the last year because right now I think this is more important. Okay. Now pulse in what to high 11, which is the input. Okay, and just to high. Okay. Now we recording the time, and now it is the time is of both the sides. Now we only want of one side so that we are getting the exact value. For that we're gonna do this, and obviously we know the formula of distance, which is speed. Okay, guys, I think it was the issue of my browser. Okay, this speed into time. Okay, time into speed or speed into time. Now let me just now comes the main thing, guys. Just let me explain the code till now. Okay, guys. So till now, what we have done is first we just initialize three variables: distance, speed, and time. Should be used by ultrasonic sensor. Okay. Here we just did the basic initialization, right? The third pin, which is the piezo or the buzzer, we did it to output, right? That is the output device. Then pin mode of 11 to input, right? The receiver is obviously input, and the transmitter, which is the 12th pin, is the output. Okay, guys, this is the basic initialization. And inside the loop, these three lines are just sending the ultrasonic sound waves, right? They are just sending out. Okay, and we are just telling the speed of those waves, okay, sound waves, and over here we are just recording the time, how much it took for if to receive and for the transmitter to send and receiver to receive, and according to that they just divide it by 2, and after they divide it by 2 they just got the time of the ultrasonic waves going from one side to the another side, or of the one side only. Okay, they got the exact time, And obviously, then we know the formula of distance, which is p into time, and the system. Okay, guys. So this is the code till now, and if I just show you the value of the distance, we will be getting the exact value. Now we need to do the main thing. Okay, what was the condition? If the distance between you and the object is smaller than 60, okay, then you wanna just want the buzzer to be high. Okay, so if the distance is smaller than 60, or if it's 60 is greater than the distance, then we want this to be high. Okay, digital, right? What to be high? Buzzer to be high, right? You're gonna pass current through the buzzer, which will just turn it on. Okay, so digital, right? 3 to high. Else, we wanna turn it to low, which means we don't want any sound. Okay, guys. And I'm just explaining this in a second after the demonstration of this whole program. Okay, guys. So you start the simulation. I hope no errors. Uh, Silly error, guys. Okay, I hope there is no error. Okay, so this is working without any fault. And you see the simulation time is little bit slow. So just give it 1 second or two to just start working. Okay, guys. And let me check if you are able to hear that, guys. Ah, you are able to hear. Okay. So let me just take it smaller than 60. Yes, guys. You are able to hear it? Yeah. I know you were able to hear it. So this is the thing, guys. If you just take it just smaller than 60 centimeter, it starts. Okay. And I know that is a very annoying sound, but yeah. So this is the program, which is like very real world, and yeah, this will help you a lot. Okay, guys. So now let me just breeze through this code which I wrote over here. Okay. So if the distance, right, which is in centimeter, is smaller than 60, then you wanna turn the buzzer to high or turn it on, which will just start the buzzer will start buzzing basically. Okay, guys. And if this is not the case, then you wanna just turn it off. Okay. So if it will be smaller than 60, then this will just buzz, right? And if it is not, then it will just not buzz. Okay, guys. So I think you pretty much like understood what I am explaining, guys, because this is very easy and yeah. So I hope you understood this whole program. If you didn't, just guys rewatch it because sometimes we don't understand it and we wanna understand it properly. And to do that, just like kind of watch it again, right, guys? So now let me take you to the slide. So here we are. Okay, guys. So I hope guys you like this video, right? Because buzzer is a very interesting thing, right? And you know it's very used. There are many use cases, right, guys? And you can use it almost everywhere. Okay. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you did, just hit on the like button, right? If you wanna just if you have some feedback, right, just give it in the comment section. If you wanna just see this type of video again and again, just subscribe my channel and just hit the bell button. Okay, and if you want your friends or to also to learn about robotics, just share the series to them. All right, guys. So this is it. Thank you.